Let's just dive right in. Welcome to this explainer, where we are unpacking a massive milestone for any ambitious game developer out there. We're talking about cracking the UCAP-720, the Unity Certified Associate Programmer exam. Now, if you are gearing up for this, you probably already know it's strictly designed for highly qualified candidates. It is tough. But how do you actually prepare to conquer it without completely burning out in the process? Well, there is a pretty staggering statistic you should know about. 50%. According to the data, about half of all candidates actually fail the UCAP 720 exam. And honestly, the craziest part? The main reason usually isn't even a lack of coding ability. It's often just down to severe test anxiety and a lack of confidence on the big day. But hey, don't stress, because we're going to make absolutely sure you aren't part of that statistic. So the real question is how we actually overcome that anxiety, right? The most effective strategy really just breaks down into two super straightforward steps. Step one, you've got to identify and deeply understand every single exam topic. Leave absolutely no room for surprises. And step two, you need to take simulated multiple choice practice tests. Actually experiencing that real exam environment beforehand is exactly what builds that bulletproof confidence, and it really sharpens your ability to spot the right answer hiding among all those tricky decoys. To put that strategy into action, a solid testing platform is going to give you two totally distinct ways to train. First, you have exam mode. This perfectly simulates the real, high-pressure 120-minute exam. It matches the length, the difficulty, all of it. Then, on the flip side, you have practice mode. This is a fully flexible, totally safe environment that lets you slow things down and really heavily target your study sessions. In practice mode, you literally hold all the cards. You can isolate specific topics, kind of like a targeted flashcard deck, so you aren't wasting time going over stuff you already know. You can shrink the timer down to just 10 minutes if you only have time for a quick session, or push it all the way to the full 120. You can even adjust the passing threshold and pick the exact number of questions you want, which lets you dial in the precise difficulty you need on any given day. Another real game changer here is learning mode. If you're struggling with some of the more complex Unity concepts, this is going to be your best friend, because instead of waiting until the very end of a massive test to figure out what you got wrong, learning mode instantly displays the correct answers as you go. That means you're learning from your mistakes in real time, locking in that comprehension way before any bad habits have a chance to form. And think about when you were testing against a ticking clock. Literally every single second counts. That is where features like auto-scroll and bookmarking come in huge. Auto-scroll navigates you vertically through the questions without you even needing to click, which honestly saves a surprising amount of time and mental energy. And if a question completely stumps you, just hit the bookmark button. You flag it, you skip it, and it ensures no tricky question gets left behind when you circle back for your final review. What makes all of this truly accessible, though, is the seamless cross-platform integration. Whether you are using the web simulator in your browser or the mobile app on iOS or Android, your progress syncs flawlessly. You could start a practice test on your laptop and finish it right on your phone while you're on the go. And the absolute best part, the mobile app allows for complete offline study. So, no internet? Seriously, no problem. So, if you want to guarantee that you're fully prepared for test day, I highly recommend using EasyQuizzy.com for your prep. By utilizing both their online web simulator and their dedicated mobile app, you are getting the ultimate, definitive preparation tool. Practicing in this highly customizable environment is exactly what it takes to completely eliminate that test day anxiety and build some genuine, rock-solid confidence. I'll leave you with this final thought to ponder. Now that you know exactly what you're up against, are you going to let test anxiety defeat you, or will you take control, use these tools, and be in the 50% that actually passes? The choice is entirely up to you. Start your customized exam prep today and go out there and crush the UCAT 720.